Hey Avondale, I'm Torin, and this is your Avondale Update. Now, who's ready to break ground on the city's first ever Aquatic Center? We're thrilled to finally share that yes, Avondale is building an Aquatic Center right here on Civic Center campus off of Avondale Boulevard. This project broke ground June 9th and will open next year. Amenities include a 10-lane, 25-yard competition pool, diving boards, instructional pool, kiddie play pool with aquatic playground and splash features, water volleyball, and basketball courts, a lazy river, multiple water slides, multi-purpose rooms, lifeguard and manager workspace, locker rooms, and spacious deck areas. For more information on this exciting project, please visit avondaleaz.gov/aquatic center. Me and my flamingo will see you right here next summer.